Somewhere 107 Tango Sierra, runway 8 right, line up weight, caution determines previous departure, Boeing 737.
107 Tango Sierra, line up and wait. Wake turbulent, departing Big Boeing.
0774, contact departure.
Departure 0774.
Take care. Southwest 3507, taxi via the Victor Loop.
Victor Loop, Southwest 3507. JetBlue 1097, visual 8 left.
JetBlue 1097, Atlanta Tower, 10816, runway 8 left, clear to land.
8 left, clear to land, JetBlue 1097.
Color 7 Tango Sierra, fly runway heading, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear to take off, 8 right, 107 Tango Sierra.
Delta 2818, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait. Nope, that was for Delta 2818. Delta 2818. Oh, sorry about that. Says 568. Give me a second. Hold short air right. Get paperwork.
That's the sound of my gear coming up.
Jazz 568, appreciate that. Runway right, line up and wait. Delta 2818, hold short, runway right.
Hold short 8 right, Delta 2818. Delta 2752, 8 left.
Delta 2752, Atlanta Tower, 107014, runway left, clear to land.
Runway 8 left, clear to land, Delta 2752.
Color 7 Tango Sierra, turn left, heading 020.
020 for 107 Tango Sierra.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more video on this flight, the flight planning, the rest of the taxi, the incredible routing that they gave me, subscribe and let me know. Have a great day.
Delta 2302, verify telegram ready with taxi to the Victor Loop.
Victor Loop, Delta 2302.
Jazz 568, appreciate your patience. Are now to Ronnie. Runway right, clear for takeoff.